you're done with your testing, and if you think something is wrong with your body, please go ahead. I encourage you to go to your OBGYN and talk to her. If you do not have an OBGYN, just call a hospital and make an appointment with an OBGYN and talk to her about your health and about your symptoms, about everything. I think a daily checkup, a general checkup every month or 3-4 months, I think you need to do it. All the women out there, please don't be so reckless with your body. Please don't be so reckless with your body. It's very, very important. It's not going to go away. If you are diagnosed with PCOS, if it won't go away, you have to take those measures of making a lot of lifestyle changes. Like, the first thing she told me is to work out, exercise, and also to eat good food without no carbs, so my insulin level can go down. So that's for me, for my hormones. That's how I started treating it. So it's going to take me, this is just my journey, and I wanted to inform you all, the women out there, you're not alone. We're all in this together. And yeah, and I've been like scared, I freaked out, I cried, I broke down. But right now I just came in terms with it, and I'm still in shock and also a little stressed out. I'm like, okay, this is not what I want. In this lockdown, this corona thing, a lot of things are happening, and this is what happened to me is happening right now. So thankfully, I feel like I have a lot of time in my hand to take care of myself. It's just that I have to start taking care of myself, and I can't let loose or let go one day saying that it's okay, I took care of myself all these days, one day it's fine. I can't do that. So this is a lifestyle change I'm making right now. So a lot of lifestyle changes I have to make, and it sucks that I can't have ice cream or chocolates or candy, or like I can't eat at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. I can't have like loads of rice, because తెలుగు వాళ్ళం అన్నం ముద్ద దిగకపోతే అస్సలు జరగదు. But it's happening to me right now. But yeah, so this is what I wanted to say. PCOS, and when I was diagnosed, that's what I thought. I mean, a lot of women, I've done so much research. YouTube lo videos chusanu, I've done so much research, but here in India mostly, a lot of women do not talk about it, and they think birth control is the only solution, a lot of them. And half of them think birth control is the only solution, and the other half do not get a second opinion. I feel like you need to get second opinion before you actually take something inside your body, which is very, very important, because this is a very big thing. If you let it go, you can become infertile, like you can't have children. And that was my deal breaker, I guess. I freaked out when that happened, but I'm not shying away, or I'm not shocked that I have PCOS, because I told you my story when I was 10th grade that I had hormonal issues, and this is showing up right now because this is my 20s, and I feel like, to be honest, this 2 years I didn't take care of myself very well. I was just going with the flow, but I have to do a lot of lifestyle changes. But it's pretty important. And also, I really want a lot of insight from women who've dealt with PCOS and who've been dealing with PCOS for the longest time. I know, and a lot of complaints I've heard from PCOS women, like diagnosed women. Like, I've been reading a lot of stories and reviews that they have been body shamed by a lot of OBGYNs, and they've been like going to a lot of, at least like 9 to 10 OBGYNs, and nobody gave them a right diet, or nobody gave them like right pills or just right diagnose for them. And I understand that, and I was also afraid that that is going to happen to me. But I feel like it's much more than that. Hormonal imbalance or PCOS is much more than that. and this is a lifestyle change you need to do. And I don't know, this happened to me, and I hope it doesn't reoccur again, because it's going to be a hell of a thing to actually like maintain, and your moods, your emotions are all over the goddamn place. And when they are all over the place, please do not think that this is because of me, this is me, this is who I am. No, that's just something is happening to your body, and deal with it and be calm. And I think exercise, yoga and meditation helped me a lot, and all my friends told me that you have to like naturally deal with it, and I feel like you have to do it, you have to do the same thing. And when I was thinking about PCOS and how a lot of women can't talk about it, I am here. I want to do something to this platform, in this platform, when I have so many people following me. I wanted to shed light on PCOS and what all you can do when you have it. So I'm making a series where we talk about women's health, and mostly how women are dealing with COVID, and it starts all with their health, and we're going to talk about that. So every Friday I'm going to come live with a real woman. So this series is called Real Talk with Real Woman. So I think every Saturday I'm going to come live with one woman, like the real woman, and we are going to talk more about women's health and how we can like deal with PCOS and other things, and also mental health. So I've always been talking about mental health. Now it became like a popular thing, you know, like I don't know, from nowhere everyone's talking about mental health. But I've been like, it's a good thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's absolutely a wonderful thing. Come out, talk about your stories, but just don't commercialize this. Don't commercialize it. Just talk about your stories. If you have a story, please let everyone know, so you can have that moral support. And we're talking about that, and that's it. And with this, I can see a lot of symptoms, and how can you reduce is something I am learning every day. And this is going to be a journey for me, at least 3 to 6 months. And all you need is your family and your loved ones around you, so you can like do this together. And yeah, so if you have any questions, and I have a lot of questions about PCOS, and if you have dealt with this or something similar to PCOS, please DM me, please talk to me, and it's going to be amazing, because that's what I want. I need insight. I just need insight, and I need like just a lot of stories. I want to hear a lot of stories around this PCOS, rather than me just being stuck in my room and thinking, okay, why is this happening to me? So yeah, and I am just like very surprised that it's happening to me. But I'm going to share a lot of my diet and details when I start my diet. It's going to take a while for me to actually like convince myself that my hormone imbalance is back, but it's here. But all I can do is pick myself up and just work out every day and try to make myself feel good, because this is not the end. Like I can fight this. So I'm a strong big girl, so I can fight this. So yeah, I am really sorry people who are asking me to talk in Telugu. And can you talk about Lekha? Can you talk about PCOD? So PCOD and PCOS are the same things. Like they're similar. They're like, they have the same meaning, so it's the same thing. So I feel little light that I shared this with you guys, so I can get some more information an insight about PCOS or PCOD, because it's quite different for every woman out there. And yeah, thank you guys so much. So like I told you, please, మీకు మీ బాడీలో ఏదైనా కొత్తగా అనిపించినా, ఏదైనా అవుతుంది డిఫరెంట్గా అన్నా కూడా, go get yourself checked. And having your own gynec and having checkups is not a taboo. Go get yourself checkup. మీ హెల్త్ చాలా ముఖ్యం ఉమెన్కి. మీ ఓవరీస్ అయినా మీ ఫెమినిన్ హెల్త్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మీరు OBGYN దగ్గరికి వెళ్తున్నారని మీ ముసలోళ్ళకో మీ తాతకో ఎవరికో తెలిసింది ఓ మై గాడ్ అని అంటే, ఇట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. అట్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది డే ఇట్స్ యువర్ హెల్త్. అండ్ వేరే వాళ్ళు ఏమనుకుంటారో అనుకోకండి. బర్త్ కంట్రోల్ గురించి కూడా ఎవరు మాట్లాడరు అనుకుంటా, బట్ ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ టు యూ. బట్ ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ ఇస్ యువర్ హెల్త్ ఇస్, ఈ టైంలో మీ హెల్త్ చాలా ముఖ్యం. కోవిడ్ రాకపోయినా కూడా వేరే డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ కెన్ కమ్ టు యువర్ బాడీ. సో ఫర్ మీ, I got diagnosed and I can't do anything except I need to take care of myself very well. And I am encouraging all the women out there, mimmalni encourage chestunna nenu, get the checkup. And if something is wrong, start your journey, start taking care of yourself. It's very, very important. So I'll see you next Saturday with a special guest.